At Mack, we don't just haul loads, we move what matters. Introducing Load Finder, our all-new load board, built with legendary Mack grit to keep your business rolling. Because when it comes to moving freight, downtime isn't an option. Our load board brings you smarter load matching and faster bookings, backed by Mack's dedication to quality and performance. Mack knows you've got miles to cover. That's why our load board automatically syncs with your fleet's schedule in real time, so you can plan, haul, and repeat without missing a beat. We all know wasted miles mean wasted dollars. Let our predictive backhaul getter optimize your routes, so you always come home with a full load. It's like having a personal dispatcher that lines up one job after another. String together spot loads seamlessly and keep your cash flow steady. Load Finder integrates right inside Mack Connect, putting your operations, analytics, and bookings all in one place. Ready to roll? Sign up for free in just a few clicks. Get immediate access to hundreds of loads and start making every mile count. It's time to drive forward. Join us on Load Finder and experience the power of smarter hauling. Mack, built to haul, built for you.